Today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial relating to content strategy. Essentially, most people know that you can have videos in vertical short form format, and there's a lot of platforms that are based on this. There's TikTok, and Instagram really likes to vulture the concept of Reels, and therefore Facebook, because Meta owns both of them, and people really like Reels now. But YouTube has their own version called YouTube Shorts. But YouTube doesn't really thrive off Shorts. Their main thing is full-length, long-form content. There was a while where they didn't like anything over 5 minutes, but that was a long time ago now. And YouTube has a tool where you can actually leverage Shorts to get more people to see your long-form content, even though the algorithms work slightly differently and there are different audiences engaging in those. A strong part of my content strategy is content repurposing, so I will take little snippets of my long-form videos and I will get like a little interesting factoid out of them or a nice little soundbite, and then I will turn that into a short which I can then share to a wider audience, because they normally have a few more hundreds of thousands of people seeing shorts in a quick period of time. And then you can then use this feature to direct people to your long form video that you took the snippet from. So if I just share my screen. So you see here, I've got a bunch of my shorts from previous videos I've done. It's actually really good to get a second wave of people onto your content as well, because if it shows that people come back to it after the fact, then YouTube sees it as more valuable content because people are seeking out even though it's not brand new. So I'm going to pick a short one. I'm going to pick a short. And this one, let's see what the clip is. It's 17 seconds. So a virtual product is different from a downloadable product, because there may be a virtual product that is just hosted on the internet. Maybe the virtual product is a link to a hidden web page that you host on your website, or just something that's exclusive access. Whereas a downloadable product is like a file that you would receive. Okay, so what's someone going to be searching where that would be a good answer to their question, for example, or a good related search term? So we're going to go, what is the difference between a virtual and downloadable product in WooCommerce? And then we're going to do some hashtags. We're going to do e-commerce, online shopping? Online shopping has more. Online shopping. Ooh, but it's too many characters, so we may have to go back to online shop. How many we at? Ooh, 4 over. Okay, maybe just e-commerce and shopping. Oh, can't even do that. Oof, okay. Shop. Okay, then we do a little description. Descriptions are less valuable than titles when it comes to shorts, but it still plays into the metadata aspect of it, so we're going to do it. Explaining the difference between a downloadable product and a virtual product in WordPress WooCommerce. Yeah, I can spell WooCommerce. Then we get rid of the chapters, because that's the thing I have by default for all my long form videos to make it easier putting that data in. Playlists, I put this in my shorts and all videos. No, it's not made for kids, although it shouldn't be excluded for kids because it's very safe for kids and maybe they're a little entrepreneur. God knows that I probably would have gotten into business sooner if I had anyone to teach me it. This video does not contain promotion because I'm not talking about a specific product. No one has paid me to do it. No, it's not alter content, made it all myself. All this stuff, I have these presets. Let's see. SEO, probably relevant. Yeah, it's relevant. Not social media, not email marketing, marketing strategy, digital marketing, content creation, web design is questionable. No live stream, no videography, no photography. Not gaming, not art. So I'm going to put e-commerce, WooCommerce, product types in WooCommerce, and we'll leave that for now because if you get too many it's too cluttered and it doesn't know what audience to send it to. Is there any more relatable category? It's kind of educational, but if you put it as educational then it gets a bit more complicated on like, is it an education system? So I'm putting in people and blogs because I find I have success with these. I like sorting comments by newest just because that's my preference. Now this is the feature that's important for getting people to go to your videos. So you see ad related video. You can do this for actually any video. It doesn't have to be a video that you produced on your channel, and you can also link people to other shorts. So if you go to part 1, part 2, part 3, you can link them off to each other. But we're doing this to get people to see our long form content and build up those watch hours off the basis of shorts traffic. So I'm going to search product. Product. And then this is the video as a clip from different types of products on WooCommerce. It was a shortish video in itself, but I managed to get a good few clips out of it. And then we go to next one. Checks, no copyright problems. And I'm going to schedule this because I tend to upload a short every other day onto YouTube, and that is not today. And I'm going to do it at like, I don't know, random time in the morning, because why not? And schedule. And that is that. So if we just look at, to prove my point of how this gets more traffic to stuff. So how to not embarrass yourself when writing a script. So I've got like some good solid views here. That one was less successful with 69 views right now, but like almost 500 views, almost 500 views, like almost 500 views on every single one of these. And then that is from my how to write a shooting script video. So if we go into the analytics here, then we'll see that the views were pretty low to begin with. This is like one of my less successful videos overall, but it is pretty niche down, and it's more to do with traditional media and media production than actual digital marketing and content creation, which I'm more like internet based, but this is more traditional TV production. And you see it had very few views at first, but then I started posting shorts for it a couple weeks ago, and it went up and up and up. Seems like my face froze there, so I'm going to remove my bits because it froze on a really unflattering angle, but you can still hear the information I'm giving you. If anyone has any advice on how to fix OBS right now, because I have been troubleshooting for weeks because I have some visual lag, so my audio a lot of the time comes through after my visual key, so then it looks like I'm talking out of sync even though I'm recording to one software from devices into my laptop simultaneously. I'm not doing it in post, although now I have to do it in post because it's wrong. And then I also contacted Canon because I'm trying to work out why my movie rec size is completely locked in HDR, so I can't change the quality or the frame rate of the video in HDR mode, which I use by default, so it locks to a lower resolution, which is infuriating. And they apparently the default fix for that did not fix it, so last I knew they were having an internal investigation, and that was like 2 weeks ago, and I have no email. They just want you to call them. So any help would be much appreciated, because I'm saving some of my best videos for when I know I'm not going to have any technical glitches, because I'm going to have one that's like a couple hours long. If you found this very helpful, please subscribe and have a nice day.